Wait, but we got to set them equal to 0 first, right? Okay. Now do what, James? Perfect. What do I need to do, Taylor? Divide by 3. So x equals, what's negative 9 divided by 3? Negative 3. Okay. What do I need to do next? Let's subtract 2. Subtract 2. 4x equals negative 2. What next, Jesse? Divide by. So x equals, what's negative 2 divided by 4? Negative 2. Now, after we did what we did yesterday, watch what you can do. It's actually kind of magical and you might actually like it. Okay? Now, but if I tell you to solve by factoring, you have to have this work. But you can check your answers in the graph. So go ahead and get your calculator out. Get your calculator out and type this in. Parentheses 3x plus 9 in parentheses 4x plus 2. Guys, calculator, please. What did we do yesterday? Look at this. Oh, there's our problem. What's negative 2 divided by 4? Negative 0.5. Negative 2 divided by 4. It's 1/2. If I have 2/4 of a pie, or 2/4, how much do I have? 0.5. So type this into your calculator. 3x plus 9 in parentheses and 4x plus 2 in parentheses. Hit draw. What do you notice about this number and that number? Look at my root. Negative 3, negative 0.5. So is there a way to check myself? If you rocked the solve by graphing, you can find out if your answers are right. Everybody see that? Do you see what I did? Okay. You ready? So let's do the factoring part. Anybody need me to show them again how to do the calculator? Who said yes? Okay, so if I'm on this one, parentheses 3x plus 9, close parentheses, then parentheses 4x plus 2, close parentheses. You have that, Jesse? Okay. Then hit graph. Then hit second calc. Go to the left of it. Hold up your left hand, everyone. Left hand. Okay. So I'm to the left of it, so I press enter. What did it just do? Press enter. What is it doing? Oh, second trace. Go to the left of it. Go to the right of it. Do you see your arrows? Jesse, did you get that? Okay, press enter. There's my first one. Yes, ma'am. 0. Go down to that 0. You're welcome. Then hit second trace. Go 0 again. Now go to the left of the other one. Now, am I to the left of it up here? Or am I to the right of it? You're to the right, so you got to go to the left. Then go to the right. Your arrows should be pointing in. Press enter, and there it is, negative 0.5. You see that, Jesse? Did you get it? That's because you went up above it again. Okay, here, watch. Which way is the left? No. There you go. So I got to be on this side of that line, of that point that I'm looking for. Then press enter. Look at your arrow. That arrow is telling your calculator, look to this side of it. Then if you go to the right, notice that's to the right, press enter. The arrows are pointing towards each other right there. And press enter and it'll give you the answer. Everybody okay? Okay. Jesse, did you get it now? Okay, Jesse, I'll come help you in a minute. Guys, we need to get to this. Okay, so look at this right here. X squared plus 3x minus 18. It doesn't have the two parentheses, does it? So don't I have to come up with the two parentheses? So what are we going to do? Huh? Yes, you could put it in your calculator, but I'm telling you have to solve by factoring. So you can do the box. Okay, so do the box. What goes in the first box? What goes in the last box? What makes an x squared? X times x. Quit. What do we need to multiply to get? No. Negative 18. And it has to add to equal 3x. Okay? So, what multiplies to get 18? 2 times 9. 3 times 6. How do I make a negative when I multiply? 1 is a negative, 1 is a... So, we know that. And we have 1 and 18. Everybody agree with that? Why can I use 3 and 6, Angie? Okay, 6 minus 3 is? No. So 6, negative 3. Guys, shh. What's negative 3 times x? What's 6 times x? What's 6 minus 3? Positive 3. So what are my two parentheses? X plus 6 and x minus 3. What do I need to do with those two parentheses? Set them equal to 0. X plus 6 equals 0. And x minus 3 equals 0. What's the opposite of add 6? So x equals negative 6. What's the opposite of subtract 3? Add 3. Put it in your calculator and check. Put that in your calculator if you want. And you can check your answer, or if you want to just leave it. I would check your answer.
I trust myself.
All right. Any questions? Okay, your homework is that same Pages document you opened yesterday. It's 1 through 3.